So now you see that Kira is starting, brand new. I deleted all the data that you can see at the right hand side. There's no more knowledge in Kira whatsoever. So I'm going to show you now with simple questions that she can find the answer, even though that she doesn't have any knowledge at all, that she stores the knowledge and can repeat the knowledge in the session. Then I'm going to quit the program again. I'm going to start a new session. I'm going to show you that she learned what she was asked before. The first simple question will be, what is Python? So as you see here, she's starting to work. She's starting to look for an answer. So there's the answer she got. It's absolutely correct. You can read it. You can pause the video. And now I'm going to ask the same question again to show you that she learned. Well, as you saw in the first attempt, it didn't quite work as expected, but in the second attempt, when I asked the question again, you saw that she answered right away. There seems to be a small issue, but that proves, of course, that she works. So as you saw, I restarted the system and the answer is there right away. She learned on the fly. No programming, pre-training necessary, no GPU usage or anything like that. What I said is real. She can learn in real time. Any question, any language, anything you want, she will answer to you.